In the past video, we started by taking everything apart in the bathroom, and we have removed everything, revealed a lot of damage that we have to repair before we can move on and start building the new things for the new bathroom. But in this video, we are gonna focus on the ark to see if we can fix it or if we have to destroy it. Welcome to part 3 of building our bathroom, and in this video we have to address this giant mess here that you see, which is all these bricks missing. There's some holes, a lot of problems. If you haven't seen that video, check out the previous one because we destroyed it and it was fun to see it all come apart. And it wasn't fun for us because we're kind of, you know, as the bricks go off, we're realizing we're left without a bathroom. So we don't have shower. Currently the shower's pointing into the floor and we can't physically use it. But let's quickly hurry up and get this done because this is the worst part. And then all the wall here. So let's get started, go get some cement, mix it up and see how quickly we can close this bricklaying up, and then we'll see what else we can do in this video quickly to get further on so we can be ready for the tiling.
I don't know, is that considered bricklaying? Because that is brick puzzling.
Repair work.
It's like puzzling more than laying.
Mr. Speaker gotta go.
Oh, it's attacking
Trying to attack me, yeah. Bricklaying is something we do really easily, so
I think bricklaying we do pretty quick if we get into it. Okay, I think we're good with big bricks.
More smaller shapes?
Get something small, yeah, this good. So I went to the greenhouse to get a spray bottle so we can spray the bricks, and since I was there I also started watering my tomatoes, and David finished the ark. How? Like, that's the most complicated part. How did you do that first? I was literally gone for like
no. I wish I had darker bricks, like more burnt bricks to fade. But
I was literally gone for less than 10 minutes.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like an ombre, kind of goes from dark to bright, kind of.
Maybe. But it looks good.
It would take us forever. We would have to find the matching bricks. It already was hard, so.
Yeah.
That is really cool.
Okay.
I thought that was impossible, and you did it in 10 minutes.
as you can see, we are done with the first layer. Now we just gotta fill in this 2 layers of bricks. That shouldn't be the hardest. The hardest was this part here. And the arc, I thought it would be hard, but actually it was quite easy. This was actually harder to get it flat level on top of the arc. If I'd spent some time and did cut the bricks, I could make it really proper. But honestly, we do want this rough look because none of it is actually perfect or using the same exact material. So it is kind of rough. And throughout the house, you can see tiles as well. As you saw, I used roof tiles. And roof tiles used on top of windows are actually quite common. They used to use whatever they could find. So that's what kind of we're trying to do as well. We could spend days or weeks even restoring this arc fully, but we don't have the time and we gotta get this done quickly. We're trying to do it in only a few hours of work. Realistically, this whole work is probably gonna be like 12 to 20 hours of total work in the bathroom that we're trying to put in here together with all the other jobs we gotta do. So that's why maybe it looks a bit rushed, but we're trying to also just do it, but try to make it also look rustic and fit the style of the house. Not to look too fresh and too new. So now let's do the top.
Yeah, and I think 99% of the people would have tear down the whole thing and put just plaster and call it good. We're trying to preserve as much of the house and the character.
Yeah. This was already brick closed, as you remember from many videos ago, maybe 4 or 5 years ago, we opened this up. So the previous people already thought they will never ever see this door ever again. We revealed it back, we have restored it back to actually something that it was just hidden and gone and lost for good. So yeah, I think it looks pretty good, and let's try to integrate it into the bathroom. The easiest solution would be, of course, put a plasterboard wall right in front of this whole thing and tile it and call it a new bathroom. But integrating the arc and all this old doorway into the bathroom would add so much more character, and I feel like it deserves it. So that's why we gotta fight through it and work with the kind of messier work and get it more beautiful at the end of the day. Okay, let's quickly get that done because I'm tired for the day. I'm here brick shopping, trying to find something that fits over the arc because it needs to get smaller and smaller and then bigger and bigger. Just because of you don't want it to keep going with the arc, you want to make kind of a flat surface for the next brick layer. I'm thinking to use these old brick tiles, they're broken anyways. I've seen them being used on top of arcs. I'm not sure if it's the best method, but otherwise we gotta take an angle grinder and keep cutting the bricks on the arc shape, and it's a very dirty and time-consuming job to get that all cut. So we'll see how we get it done. We're kind of trying to have it pretty on a budget. Let's go see. it's 2 days later. We worked outside on the tiny house and today is again raining. So we back on the bathroom and we need to clean this up before it gets too hard. I'm already scared that it has gotten too hard. But let's get the drill with the brush and try to see if we can clean all the cement nice and smooth and have a nice beautiful looking art. Because currently it looks kind of rough and awful. But once we have it done with the brush, it should look pretty clean and nice. So we probably take this first off and then get on with the cleaning.
And hopefully it doesn't all collapse down.
It shouldn't. I think cement on its own can hold it up. And I think as an arc, it should have pressure downwards. And it should be kind of, you know, wedged in where it shouldn't come down.
Yeah, the only problem is that the bricks don't go all the way across, but the cement should just hold it, I think.
Yeah. It was, half an arc in theory.
So it's not really
but all this weight on top is squeezing these into their grooves. This was the most flattest part of the arc, so hopefully that's also not a bad thing. But let's just pray that it's all good, and let's take it all off and see how it looks.
I don't think we're too late for cleaning it though, because we also want it to dry, of course, and then let's take everything with you. Oh, it's falling.
Don't scare me.
Woohoo! It's a bit of a flat arc.
That's how it was.
I guess, yeah. No, I mean, it's pretty good.
That's how it is on the other side. So not my design choice.
No, I mean, we went with what we had. We could not really do much.
I would have done it sharper because I have a tall head. But people used to be short, so that was okay for them.
Okay, no, that's amazing.
That is, like, you know, my height, that means that people were this high. To have, like, a bit of headspace.
Okay, that's pretty nice from what it was.
Yeah, the bottom, not the most prettiest, because, of course, we couldn't see what we're doing on the bottom.
Do we want to fix it up a bit? How bad is it?
Not that bad.
Maybe we'll fix it up.
I will see after the drill how much it looks nice, bad.
Okay.
I might need glasses as well. Let me just try and see how much it spreads.
Well, I get glasses as well and a mask.
That's not cleaning at all.
Looks very nice.
Yeah, needs a good brush. Clean and then it will be good. So as you can see, we are done cleaning the brickwork and it looks pretty good. It definitely is not matching the old one, but I think it would be impossible to match that. So I feel like it's okay. You can clearly tell where we have repaired it, but I think it looks pretty close to as it should be.
The only annoying thing is this one brick up there.
Which one brick?
The one in the black wall. There's one brick.
Ah, that one, yeah.
That one, that is a bit of an eyesore.
That we repaired also before we had this cleared off, so...
We didn't know.
Yeah, we didn't know that we were going to clear it off anytime soon. And it does not come out easily without destroying all the bricks around it. So we're going to leave it there. It's okay. We're just going to close our eyes to it.
Plus, we cannot replace it since we don't have the same bricks.
Yeah, of course, those are also clay bricks, which we cannot really replace. We don't have any, yeah. And they will never look the same. They will be more clean, like gray. This is burnt by the smokery over the years. And we are going to preserve it by putting a clear coat over everything, a few layers of it, so no water can damage it. And the rest of it till here is going to go tiles. And this side is tiles, this is tiles, and this is tiles. But that you'll see in the upcoming videos. Hope you enjoyed this one, and we're gonna see you in the next one where we continue on with the ark and the rest of it and all this giant mess to do it quickly and have a shower. But it looks pretty good.